We can subdivide our hard problems in research just like we subdivide big stories in our backlog. And we can move from any cycle in these stages to any other as we need to accomplish our goals. We can do research and experiments when we don't know how to move forward. And once that research and those experiments give us the answers we need, we can move on to building things. Or if they don't, we can do more research and more experiments until they do. And all the while, we can track our progress with documents and proof of concept experiments, and we can manage our work just like any other stories in our backlog or sprint. We can create a sort of agile ad infinitum. And if there's anything you take away from this talk, I would really love for this to be it. Not just because it sounds really cool and I would love to coin this term, but also because it's a really useful concept. So when we break down our problems into smaller and smaller steps with research and experimentation at the start, there is no problem too big or too complicated for us to solve.